Oh, and by the way, I forgot my hat. As always. There we go. And I wanted to tell you that you guys can watch this video up to 2K 60 frames per second. So if you just want to go and click to like the resolutions advanced, and then you guys can see the list, you will find 2K 60 frames per second, because I'm actually recording it right now at 60 frames per second. So yeah. Welcome to the car, reviewing the details of the car, V8 turbo. Now it feels like the same painting job on the real car, because real Mercedes G63s have actually the matte, black color. And yeah, these are the exhausts. Really interesting. And also it feels like this guy is real. And oh, thank God. Now the reason why, it's because you see the disc, this guy over here, on the previous models, or on the 124 scales and even 114, they kind of have they twist, while the actual tire twists again. Check it out. Oh, and there's okay, I see a suspension over there, which is something good. This is the rear. Okay, beautiful. Got your G63 and the it feels like it's okay. This is damaged. I'm not sure, but I think this is damaged. And we got the gas here. Another pipes over here. See, this guy doesn't have a hole as this one has. Yeah. And open door. Okay, we'll get to that. And this is the front. Gorgeous. Like it. And there is me. Hello. Okay, and there's again the logo. Thank you for picking it, that camera. This is the top, and this is the final look. Now, this is the first time that I'm reviewing a 124 scales here in my channel, or in the Roadbeasts place in general. I haven't talked about the sides, mirrors, because this thing opens and I can see a little bit of the reflection of my finger, which is something really good. Kind of bad, because I really thought that maybe these handles were you're just gonna open it and then it's gonna open itself, which is something not good, obviously. Oh, that's a good suspension. Excuse me. And okay, let me see. This is actually exactly as an A63 AMG is made. So I'm trying to get this right, because I'm a little bit perfectionist over here. Anyways, AMG, you got your radio, you got your board and everything. Check out the, oops, dude, can we have some lights here? You see it? Oh my god. Got the, like, the pedal over there, but is it true that it has only one pedals? Ah, because a normal car has like 3, but I don't know. Everything is detailed, even the seats, the okay, we'll check the other side. Dude, that's great job. Oops. Okay, I don't want to damage anything, but oh la 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 la. Hello, do you see something right now? Just kidding. So yeah, everything is well detailed. This is how like the back of the car looks like, and right now we're going to see here. Okay, so let me hold on. Let me tell you, there's this small system around here. See this thing over here? This thing that I'm touching? Check it out. So right, you know, so that you can lock it. Okay, there you have it. And now I'm going to open it. Yo, imagine if this can actually... Okay, I thought that this can like go down, you know, as a real car will do. What? Okay, this is not really welcoming, but welcome to the interior of a real, or moreover a okay, a 1/24 scale RC car based on a real car. Hello, please. Did you get that? I hope that you guys can see. Okay, there you go. Now, here's another thing. I don't know that, I mean, I won't be able to like to drive this guy outside, you know, because of the snow. Montreal has a lot of snow, you know. So what I'm gonna do instead, I'm going to try to make a small scene using VFX. Obviously, again, if you really want to see I mean, this thing got tested, but in the white version, again, make sure to see or check Black Sea RC channel. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy and paste the link of his video. I mean, him reviewing this car, because if you watch it, you're gonna get the opportunity to see the performance. And also, since he has also tested many cars, you know, from track assess and everything, he's going to give you the perfect review. I mean, when it comes to the performance, because I have never tested an RC cars like outside of Rastar. I always buy Rastars because they're actually the best. But for me, you're going to see the performance once the animation is going to be out, obviously. So yeah, no big deal. Let's see the suspension. Oh, sorry. Okay, suspension. Okay, let's see the front. Okay, good. And this is something that I forgot to tell you, which is the underneath the car. I really like these, you know, gives a real nice detail. And yeah, there you have it. So that doesn't mean that I'm gonna be testing this car over here, but you guys are going to see everything as promised. So yeah, let's get into it. So for those who are interested to see the performance of this guy, well, we're not gonna be covering this today as it's 10 minutes and don't want to make long and boring videos. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a second part where we're gonna make the performance. Obviously, I don't know if I'm like going to take it outside and test it because of the snow, but I'll see then, but one thing that I'm sure that what I'm gonna do is that we're gonna make something using VFX, okay, using green screen, and trust me, it's gonna be the best. So why not and join? I mean, why not you don't join the community by subscribing to the channel? Like that, you will get to know HW Roadbeasts and also the future video or the upcoming second parts, and also leave a big thumbs up so that it helps us to know that you like the video. Okay, take care guys and peace out.